two friends from welding and fabrication, Mr. Imran and Mr. Nasser. So I asked them to help me bend my bipod rail to protect the bottle for the RTI P3. So I think he already finished, Mr. Imran. Yes, finished. Thank you, Mr. Imran.
You're welcome.
So that is Mr. Imran from Pakistan and Mr. Nasser. Mr. Nasser is the same Pakistan or India? Same Pakistan. They know also. So this is it. Ito yung ginawa nila. Ito yung guide ng bottle. Ayun, oh. Sakto. So meron tayong gagawing bipod rail. Once again, thank you so much. Have a nice day. See you in YouTube.
Sure.